Okay, I'm making a video today because well, first of all, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button on this video because we gotta go over a lot of stuff, and this is gonna be primarily me sitting at this desk and talking about some upgrades. So first of all, let's start with the camera that I'm shooting with, which is the Hero 4. I got a new case for it, which if you follow the Instagram, which I'll leave it on the screen right here, it's at ToddleyProductions on Instagram. Go check that out, give me a follow on there. Or find me on Facebook, same thing. I got a new case for it because the old waterproof case had a scratch like right across the front of the lens. Whoops, I just bumped the camera. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right, like it's pretty bad and it always picks up in videos because it catches the light. Well, anyway, I got one off of eBay, $14, genuine. As far as I can tell, like it even says GoPro on the flap. It's identical to that one, so that's the first thing. Second thing, if you can see in the video, is well, it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and so I'm gonna unbox it. Maybe if this is not. This is a poor design. So I went with the Hero 7 Black because I didn't want to get the 8 because they're still pretty new and kind of expensive, so I don't even know if I can take this off this way, to be honest. Yep, there we go. Alright, so there's the case. Nothing else in that. I'm going to take this thing off. First of all, let me get it out of there. This thing is sweet. I'm so excited. So I'll take that. That's that thing. So the reason I got this recently was I was at the store and it was marked down instead of $329, which is what these are selling for at Walmart right now. The sticker was $277. So I was like, yeah, I'm buying one. And I got 2 extra batteries because with my Hero 4, now all the batteries are the same. The 5 through the 8, they all take the same battery, so it shouldn't be as big of a problem. But I figured I want to be safe, buy 2 extra batteries. I had two extra batteries, so I'm like, I might as well buy those while I'm there. So, let's see what we got in here. Now, I've had 3 GoPros. I started out on a Hero 3 White Edition. Then I upgraded to the 4, which I thought it was the black, but I actually just found the box for it, and this is only a silver. So this is the first time I've ever had a black edition GoPro. So I'm really excited. And we've got the charging cable. We've got only one mount, which I did see watching video reviews of it, that they only come with one sticky mount now, which is fine. I have a bunch of them. And then here is the battery that's going to go in the GoPro. So I think there's probably instructions in here. I'd imagine there's instructions and my favorite part, stickers. Which, if I can get this stuff out. I hope it still comes with stickers, or I'll be kind of sad. Oh yeah, look at these are sweet stickers. These are like vinyl. These are way better than the old stickers. And I don't remember when I bought my Hero 4. I think I bought it in like 2015. So it's been a while. It's been 5 years. But it's been a good camera. Definitely good. And I'm probably still going to use the Hero 4 until I get a fully waterproof case for this. I'm going to be using the 4 on the jet skis, which it's not time to jet ski yet, so that could change. But I'm not going to take this in the water. So that's basically everything. And I'm going to see about if I need to charge it up first before I can use it, because I want to try and get the most extended battery life possible. So I will turn it on, but I think that's pretty much the end of the video, so I'll do a couple more clips. I'm going to turn it on. First time. Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to take this out of here. How does this even come out? Oh wait. Is there like a flap on the side? I honestly don't. This is the first time I've ever. I don't know. I don't want to break it. I don't see like a door. Is it supposed to come out? There we go. I got that. You gotta put the battery in somehow. It's a very it fits very snug in there. I imagine that will, once I use it a few times, it's gonna. Okay, how do we open this thing? Maybe I should read the instructions. Now, maybe I might end up buying a charger for this. I've always just used the camera to charge it. I might get a charger, I'm not sure yet. But, dang, this is nice. So, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to charge it up yet. So, I'm going to end the video. Make sure you guys leave a like. And let me know in the comments if you're excited to see my videos in Hero 7 GoPro. And if you can tell the difference. I might do like a comparison video. I'll shoot something on there and then go to this. But I'm going to probably charge it up first before I use it, because, like I said, I want to get the most extended life out of the battery possible. That was like my big problem with the 4. It's not really the 4's fault because it's old, and the batteries are pretty decent for how old they are, so that's why I just went ahead and got me some batteries. So, and I don't know how much their battery technology has changed. These say lithium ion. I don't know if the ones in the 4 are lithium ion or not. Probably, but anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this video, if I should do some more like this. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at ToddleyProductions, or find me on Facebook. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos, which are coming very soon. Peace.